Hello, my name is Steve Bigelow with the Candlestick Forum. Markets are whopping around. Today, the market started off down big because of the tweet that Trump said they may be a good idea to postpone or put off the election. The the GPS numbers were down big and the unemployment numbers were not good. But as you can see, they took the Dow right down to the 50 and bounced it back up. The NASDAQ opened lower, but came back up again. And with all the earnings coming out this afternoon, it looks like they could open this up positive tomorrow. There's still lots of good charts. Remember, last week we locked in on SOGO and had a good price move. Same scenario on Blink this week. Slow curve breakout. What do we expect? Wave 1, wave 3. And when we can recognize the different patterns that produce high probability results, it's because human nature works the same way time after time. That's why we can recognize these patterns. A morning star signal followed by a doji sandwich. That's your McMuffin. We know the morning star signal is one of your 12 major reversal signals. We know a doji sandwich implies more upside. You combine the two, you've got very strong expected results. We're going to be recommending UPWK probably on positive trading tomorrow because of this. Remember, this is the signal or pattern that started the uptrend in the markets back in March when we said this was the bottom because of the mornings or the McMuffin, the morning star followed by a doji sandwich. Or we know what should happen on a trade setup. If we see a doji gap up to the previous day's open and start trading positive, what do we have? Essentially a bullish flutter kicker, which implies there's going to be more upside. Even on the day that it's trading, it's a good day trade, and then the results after that is usually more upside. A lot of people ask, do you hold stocks going into or hold positions going into earnings? And the answer is candlestick signals are the accumulative knowledge of everybody buying and selling during a specific time frame. Logic says the smart money that knows what is going on as far as the earnings are concerned, if they're still buying going into the close, that means the expected results are pretty favorable. We saw this in UPS today. We bought calls on the close yesterday, which obviously produced very good results. Candlestick analysis is nothing more than the graphic depiction of what normally occurs in human nature and what is going to usually result as far as a price move. So tomorrow, with Apple reporting good earnings, Amazon reporting good earnings, Facebook reporting good earnings, and a bunch more that seem to be reporting very strong earnings, if they start opening the markets positive tomorrow, that pretty much implies the J-hook type pattern setting up in the NASDAQ and probably the Dow trading positive, eventually coming back up above the T-line. This still produces a slow, steady uptrend that allows us to scan for the best trades during the slow uptrend. That'll be it. We'll see you in the chat rooms.